Oh, hey. Good morning. Top of the middle of the morning with my crooked camera, but we're gonna run with it for a little. No, it's gonna bother me. It's gonna bother me. No, more crooked. It's more crooked. All right, how do we do? How do we do? Better. We'll take it. We'll take it. Good morning, everybody out there. Top of the middle of the morning. It's 11:29 a.m. on Thursday, May the 21st. We are trading NASDAQ futures. Last night was NVIDIA's earnings report for the second quarter. I don't know. Whatever quarter, probably first quarter? Who knows? Doesn't matter. It was great, but then the market died. And now NVIDIA is in the hurt locker. We're below the MHP of the pre-market low. Hard to find longs down here, but I've been finding a little bit of longs here and there. Little bit here and there. This is the FundedSeat account that I passed yesterday. First trades on it today, 216 on the day. Then over here on the other one, I'm up 447 on the day. Just crossed 1,000 on the total P&L. We are clearly just doing a whole lot of fucking nothing. Chopping broccoli. Chopping broccoli. Chopping broccoli. Yeah, it's not great, guys. This is not great price action for trading. This is a day to flip accounts. This is not a day to try to hit home runs. We're on internal day on the daily. Internal. I don't think we're going any fucking way. We're not going to break above 741-ish. Not even above 740.50. And we're not going to break below 730. No, definitely not that. We're not going to break below 737. 737 to 741. This is a 4-point range on the SPY. It's not super tradable. Look at all these fucking wicks. Wiki. We did dump once, bounce. I don't know if I would even take that again. This pre-market low has been holding strong, but yeesh. That's the level to watch on the SPY, is just the pre-market low. Let's just pay attention to that. Let's flip over the Daddy Mac chart. Not to be confused with Big Daddy Max. Shout out Big Daddy Max. Love you, dude. Yeah. So, gross and reject. VIX has held its pre-market low. Oil pushing to a high-ish place after dumping on some news. It's recovered. We're doing today's update in song. All right. Anyways. Don't know if I like any of this. Now, I do need to take a trade over here. Let's get it hooked up. It's the next gen. Let's get me to my password. Just need like 300 bucks in a next gen and we'll call it a day over there. This is just a flip day. We're not trying to set the world on fire. That 210 rips level's been pretty solid today, but then again, we did go all the way down to the 119. So, 100 points on one mini would be $2,000. That would probably bust me. Not worth it. I'm not trying to catch that knife. Mainly because NVIDIA is the story of the day over here, guys. NVIDIA. We were to reclaim 220, that would definitely turn the market around, but I feel that it might not be in the cards. Testing the 210 from below after a big old dump. Didn't hear any news squawk on that, but then again, there's a lot of people talking. I guess this is conceivably a short entry if you're really feeling bearish, but I'm not. We're in the middle of the range, not doing much of nothing. I like that VIX rejection. NVIDIA is trying to build a base. Let's just do a quick little defensive BRB. Got to put in a password. And we're back. I don't know about this, guys. I don't know about this. This could be just a giant bear flag. We came up more than halfway of the range. Let's just see. This was a news candle high. I caught it. I caught a chase off of it. So the whole range is 214. Hey, what do you want to reckon? Let's go just check in on Rocket Scooter. What's our risk interval today? 214.75 risk interval on NQ. That's a fun game. Risk interval 250. Didn't quite hit it today. Could be more range. Maybe it'll just be an totally inside day. Anyways, this was the midpoint, and look at where we're rejecting from. Middle of the range. We just came back halfway and rejected. It ain't bullish yet, guys. It ain't bullish. That's all I'm saying. It's not. So we wait. We wait for opportunity to arise. One never knows when opportunity will be here. So we're just gonna be here, and I'll be here with you, waiting and watching and waiting and watching. Okay. There goes NVIDIA. Now, I know we normally watch the VIX here in the middle, but I'm curious, what's going on SPY with its you don't have SPY? Confusing. What if I did it from over here? But now do you remember me? SPY. I just wanted to see what's happening here. This is the pre-market low test that we've been holding. Been holding all the day. This is the 5-minute chart all day. I mean, not exactly all day. It's getting pressed right now. So we've got about a 80-cent range downside where we found buyers with volume. Look at the volume that popped up here on the 5-minute chart. There were definitely buyers here before. You could maybe convince me to buy this small. Let's see what NVIDIA does here. Yep, there's a bounce. Look at my dotted line. It's just my level, the 175. I took some trades off that earlier, but I'm not taking it right now. VIX below 30. 4. It's cool. Ah! Did I just close my... Okay, good. It's like, did I close my trade wing now? Okay, so pre-market low held on SPY, but now we've got all these EMAs. That was a nice bounce. Interesting candle on the market. That is a hell of a hanging man if I ever saw one. Off of the level and off of the EMAs. That is a short. I'm not taking it, but damn. That short off of 210. Ooh. Okay, so SPY held the pre-market low. That's all we need to know. Back to the UVXY, which is... What are you... Fuck. Trading View's getting a little dodgy here. I don't understand. Show me that. Okay. A little bit of a flag here, too. A bear flag on both. Bear flag on both. Who's going to win? Okay, we're back over the 210. That short was short-lived. Wow, look at NVIDIA making a go for it above 219. Still got to get above the 230 where my dotted line is. Let's see what happens. Okay, there goes 101.50 on oil. I've noticed the oil NVIDIA inverse correlation. Let's see what happens. We are also forming a head and shoulders. We're testing the right shoulder right now. I like the rejection on the VIX. That definitely gave us a pop. Now let's see if we get above the 30 dotted line. Let's see. Here we're at the dotted line. Wow, nice push. Nice push. I did not take that, but it's a nice push. Okay, now NVIDIA's just got to get above 220. It could totally reject from 220 and bag everybody. Oil is at 101.41. Okay, let's see if NVIDIA comes back down here to test these EMAs, gather a little liquidity, and then make a go for the 220. Let's see what happens. Very proud of this trade that I took earlier. Where I took it from the bottom to the top. Hard to follow that up, so I've just been waiting. There goes the VIX to the downside some more. I'm glad we put that chart on the screen. All right, there's NVIDIA with a red candle on the right shoulder. Wow, look at NVIDIA go! Dang! Could have been along the whole time. My short would have gotten cooked off of 210. Would have been a great one. That dotted line, that's an 80-point bounce off that dotted line, y'all. Might have gotten stopped out depending on where we entered, but still would have been a good trade. We're just bouncing among the rips levels. We're not breaking out. I think this was the high of the day. This was a news candle high. You know my theory about tweets and news and such. We never break it. Same thing happened overnight. We hit this at 6 a.m. 4:18 a.m. Man, I was awake for that. 4:18 a.m. And now we hit this at 10 exactly. I don't know if we're gonna break above it. I think we just stay in an inside doji-ish day, which means our maximum upside from here is only 100 points at most, per my theory. Now, NVIDIA does a V-shaped recovery, then we can break above and maybe test this prior day high. I don't think we do it. I definitely don't think we close up here. So we're gonna proceed with caution. Let's just check out. So here's this. We're holding the Monday open. God, I love the rips level so much. Up to prior day high, 263. Our risk interval is 250. So it could easily hit the prior day high and sell. Now, we happen to be at exactly this moment testing the VWAP, which is exactly the midpoint of the range. Exactly. More or less. So, not chasing the long here. That's long story short, I'm not chasing. I do like this oil rejection. Like, check out this chart. Look at that. Beautiful rejection from the 102s. Are down to 101, below the 101.50 even. It had a little linger here at 101.50s. That's great. That's terrific. Now, if we come back down here and explore the hundreds, maybe pick up these two EMAs, that could help pop the market up to 300. I don't know if we're going to get it, though. This is on the 5-minute. Watching NVIDIA and oil here. I'll let you know if the UVXY reclaims 34, which is really the number we're watching. Oh, we did trade on some AlphaTrader this morning, but then the AlphaTrader platform is booty today, so I stopped trading on it. Let's see if my P&L updated. Nope. says I'm down $2 on the day. That does not make sense at all. I'm sure that we that does not totally make sense. Oh yeah, I shorted from the top. Nonetheless, even if we're just break even on the day, I'm not upset by that. Doesn't totally make sense because I had 52,100, but you know, who knows? All right, heading up to the 300 level perhaps. There goes NVIDIA trying for 220. Now again, I think NVIDIA just rejects from the bottom of 220 and we just go right back maybe to 210. Oh, sorry, we'd go right back to 218, test the bottom here again. Maybe that'll be the one that breaks. Yep. Oh, see, look at that. Look at that short nonsense happening. We got wicks, we got speed, we got fucking velocity. Oil's trying to put in a bounce here. Watch the 101.50 rejection. It's got a nice EMA waiting for it up there to snipe it down. Let's see that. We're rejecting on the market here. I told you I wasn't chasing the long. This is why. It was just there. Middle of the range just got tested. Now, watch here for a nice top wick. Oh, okay. Or just go right on the candle. That's fun too. No, I'm still not gonna take it. Still not gonna take it. I don't love it. NVIDIA's going to 220. Let's see what happens. That's the reason why I didn't take it, by the way. I still feel like this little head and shoulders that's building on the 2 minute is gonna play out after this mega rejection, the 220 rejection. Now, oh, there goes oil to the downside. That might bounce us. That's cool. Did it take on the low? We're still going to find resistance at 67. Let's see if we break above. This is the VWAP right here. Finally made it back. Rejecting the VWAP. Oh, no, sorry. It's the 200 SMA, not the VWAP. VWAP is this one? I have a VWAP. It's one of the yellow ones. It's one of y'all yellow motherfuckers. Come on, where are you? Where's it? Don't have a VWAP. Okay, is it in here? Yeah, no. There it is. It is the VWAP. Okay, I was right. I was right. Could have taken the long, broken above a little bit, broken above the 200 SMA. That's got to be good. There goes NVIDIA to 220. Let's see what happens. Could have taken the long. I guess that would have been more my style, is taking the scalpy scalp. Would have been like a 30-point trade. Nice press. There's 220 reclaim on NVIDIA. Okay, we're getting interesting here. Things just got very interesting for me. The 220 reclaim. Gotta go talk to Matt about that. Briefly broke 220 and then rejected under. Not bullish. No longer bullish. No longer chasey. I gotta see it really crank up there and get above that 220 with some feeling. With a little bit of gusto. 100 points so far on this trade from the 75. 110 points. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, took it. Now, I'm not hearing or seeing anything. The VIX is still in pretty good decline. Oil's still in good decline. That might push the market. Interesting chart, guys. We just did not a V shape, but like a sea monster shape recovery. 220 now, NVIDIA. Is it gonna hold? We're at the 300. Look at that. 125 points from my level. Could have took it. Didn't take it. This could be a short. Watch the 101 bounce on oil. There's the 220-ish rejection on NVIDIA. We'll do a little zoom in. Let's see better. Let's see what's happening here. We're watching this right here. These two candles. Putting in a little bit of a gravestone doji on the market. Not a chase. Not a chase. Really, these two levels above are the ones to really watch out for. We could sort of confirm above and then fail it. I'm still skeptical. Still skeptical of all those buyers. I don't think 218 was low enough. I don't believe y'all. Oil did bounce off 101. VIX, meanwhile, putting in a little bit of a bottom as well. UBXY 3362 after what is, in my opinion, a perfect bottoming candle right here. All sellers, no buyers. This was a liquidity sweep on the VIX. I think we go down from here, guys. This is, again, I'm not bearish on the day. I think this is just a high. That's my thesis. We're staying internal to the 300. See if I'm right or wrong. Could go as high as 350. That's sort of my like margin of error. But above 350, I'm a little perplexed on what's happening. Okay, NVIDIA's holding the 220. Did put another top wick there. Sellers are trying to keep it down below. Let's see who wins. $101.11 in oil. Under one. See, conversely, under 101, probably great for the market. We're just fighting against this wick right there, 308. Rips level at 301. High of the day at 308, or really where the sell-off commenced, 308. Now, I'm not going to short it. Not at all. Ooh, look at that. See, check out oil. This is why, guys, this is why I watch the 2-minute. 2-minute has all the information. Look at that. Look at that bounce on oil. This is not bullish the market. Oil just tested its own 200-day, reclaimed it, and now the market's gonna dump off 300. Oh, held the 220. Oil rejected a little bit of its EMA right here off the 101.27. That could push it above 300. That would negate my thesis. 101.28, the number on oil. NVIDIA holding over the 200 psychological and monthly hedge pressure level. So many top wicks, and like I said, I could see us even popping above the pre-market low up to like 221. 221 would be my variance level here. Oh god. Oh, they rejected. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hold on, NVIDIA. Now, to get re-engaged in a long, we could potentially look at 62 as an entry, along with some kind of NVIDIA mega bounce or some kind of oil mega dump. Bounce on NVIDIA, holding its 80 MA. I would feel much more comfortable on NVIDIA bouncing from 219.50 than it would from 219.80. It's just too much risk, too little reward, in my opinion. Going long from 84 with a target of 300 to 16 points, which is $32. I don't think it's worth it per contract, per micro. No sir, no sir. Oh, but there goes oil. Will oil hold the 101? do some EMA tests. This will be really interesting. Again, the 60s are a potential long spot. Wow, look at the EMA bounce. Damn. Market is strong today. NVIDIA might go for it here. 1990. $33.57 on UVXY, new low. $33.56, new low of day. Oil is below its 200-day EMA. I would expect it another bounce here and another drop here. There goes NVIDIA. Pretty solid rejection look on those candles. Oh, but oil down. Whoa, oil. Weird. No one test on oil. While NVIDIA is sitting on its 8 EMA. I can't chase it. It's too close. Oil under 101. So many EMAs below, though. I feel like this is a trap. Wow, there goes oil. Market's not responding. I think that this is a Fugazi. Fugazi move, I'm calling it right now. Oil's gonna bounce and reclaim 101. NVIDIA holding that 8 EMA, making another try for 220. No. Don't like it. I don't like it. I'm exercising caution and patience. Cautions. Patience. Cautions. Cautions. Needs work. NVIDIA not getting to 220 on this bounce is not a good sign. There's 220. 99? 20. 220. Boom. Let's see what happens here. Nope. Rejected it. VIX put in a bit of a bottom off that new low of day with a big volume bar. Check this out. Check that out. What is this volume about on the low of the day? Sus, I say, sus. Wow. Wow. Huge bottoming wick here. On the 15. Wow. Okay. NVIDIA, 220. I still think oil bounces here. There's a little bit of red on NVIDIA. There's an oil bouncing from its 200 EMA. SMA, whatever it is, it's not good. Actually, I think the green is the 50. 200 EMA. 200 EMA test. Now, this did get close to this confluence of levels with the RIPS level. And here's NVIDIA down to its 20-day EMA. Let's see if it catches a bounce there. NVIDIA not getting the love off the 20-day tap. It's not quite there yet. Let's see what happens. Let's just go ahead and establish what our... This is how we can tell how much we made. Okay. We're at 53,224. NVIDIA not doing the thing. We're at the EMA cluster. Potential long entry. Not with NVIDIA dying. Makes a little gappy upside. NVIDIA and the market resisting the above EMA. Okay. Could have been a 10-point bounce right there. Damn. It was the long. Now NVIDIA could reject from its own EMA here. Great press on NVIDIA, up to almost to the 220 level already. Yeah, so from the 62 entry, 30-point bounce. Should have took it. Still don't know about this. Look at this candle right here, guys, on NVIDIA. That is intimidating. I don't know if we can pass those sellers. That was an aggressive sell. Two pretty good top wicks once we approach the 300 level. There's NVIDIA two above its EMA. Let's see how it plays here. Going without NVIDIA. NVIDIA started to fail its EMA. Nice bottom wick, though. Yikes! Big drop. Buyers coming in on the 20-day EMA tap on NVIDIA. Sorry, it's not the day, it's the 20 EMA. Getting up there. All right. Now, I started the stream a little bit early today because I'm going to be signing off on the early side today. Got a teacher conference. NVIDIA's still not doing the thing. UXY putting in new lows. That's exciting. Oil at 100. Dang, I've been covering it up. Look at oil down there while the market does not pump. Not weird. Now, oil breaking under 100 could send the market, but I think oil more likely would bounce off of one. No? Okay, NVIDIA held the 20-day EMA again. Second time, second test. There's oil at 100. 100 test on oil. NVIDIA back to 220. Oil loses 100 with gusto and NVIDIA reclaims 220. That's two catalysts, and I will try to chase it. 99.90 on oil. Oh, we're getting a little choppy here. I'm not even gonna take. I'm hands are off. Hands up, pencils down. This is getting sketchy, guys. $99.96 on oil. NVIDIA held ADMA after a couple of hanging men on it, though, so watch out. It's dipping. Oil bouncing off 100. Glad I did not get long. Okay, potential long spot here off of this EMA tab. Whoa, look at that bounce off the EMA. That's cool. Okay. Again, I need participation from NVIDIA to do this thing right. Damn, look at that bounce. Crude bounced and market bounced. Weird. Long wick. Whoa. $20-point bounce right there. Not bad, not bad. Don't see oil doing anything interesting yet. NVIDIA might be trying for it, guys. Nope, nope, nope. NVIDIA's not quite getting it yet. There's 220 NVIDIA. We're almost at the 300. No, NVIDIA's still rejecting. It's not a chase yet, guys. It's not a chase until NVIDIA really gets going. Declining volume on NVIDIA here. We are in the lunch hour. Will NVIDIA get it on less volume than last time? The odds are not in its favor. Okay, there's red on NVIDIA. Oil below 100. Will it bounce? Yes. Yes. Oil bounced. NVIDIA dumped. Top wick on the market. NVIDIA is holding its 2-minute 20 EMA. Oil testing 100 from below. Market liked that. Oil at 100. If I was long, I would be probably nervous right now. Oil rejected the 100 from below. Doesn't look like NVIDIA wants to join the party yet. There's the 300 level. Damn! Damn! I don't know who that is. It's not NVIDIA. So much for that thesis. Wow, that was a good long after all. Didn't take it twice. Twice I skipped my entry. 99.90 on oil. Coming back to test the rips level to continue higher. This is where NVIDIA could reclaim the 220. Oh my. Some liquidity from the EMA below, perhaps? Oh, more huge wicks. Wicks put in another bottom. Oil testing 100 again. NVIDIA at its lower EMA. Let's see if it holds. Nope, NVIDIA not holding. All right, I like that NVIDIA bounce. I'm long one. Come on, NVIDIA, let's get that 220 and don't reject. Oh God, it's super rejected. Trying, it's trying, we're trying. Come on, NVIDIA. Oil's getting a little bouncy bounce. A little bit of green. Back to the rips level. NVIDIA not doing it. NVIDIA not doing it. Oil 100 test again. Is holding. Shit. Stop in. There's the 100 tap. See how much fucking space that takes up on the screen. Tap on oil. Up I guess, yeah. Yep. Oh, but there's the rejection. Has the 220 rejection on NVIDIA. Let's see where we're at on the trade. Lost like $800 on that trade. VIX got a bounce too. There goes NVIDIA. Kind of testing this support level here for NVIDIA. VIX bottomed, oil bottomed. NVIDIA trying to bounce. Nice bounce on NVIDIA. I'm in. That was my stop loss. Whoa, did I just get stopped out? Whoa, 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 whoa. Insta stop. Shit. I'm in off of the rips level. Rejected. Oh man, did that bust this account? What just happened? I lost. I don't know. I don't know how much I lost on that. All right, that's weird. Trading off of the trading view. I don't know if that's DLL or if that's game on that account. I gotta check that later. Oil's confirming over 100. We're not taking this long. This was next gen. What's happening here, guys? I don't know. I was up 3,200. Negative 1,300. Not sure if that's DLL or what. I don't know. We'll check back in tomorrow. So much for that idea. All right, I'm long on the NVIDIA bounce. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Like the oil rejection. There we go. Now we're green. I got 4. Stop is in. Got some other business off screen to attend to. Did I get stopped out? Oh, son of a bitch. I'm back in. That's the NVIDIA bounce that I've been waiting for. Come on, now we get it, NVIDIA. Now we get it. Now we get it. VIX is gapping down. Oil needs to keep heading downside. NVIDIA needs to not reject that upper EMA. Out of 1, 2, 3. Just a little de-risk there in profit. You guys can't see my position, can you? Oh, NVIDIA's rejecting its EMA cluster. Prepare to flatten. Preparing to flatten. That's a tough order for NVIDIA with both those EMAs right there. Okay, bought the rips level again. Oh, NVIDIA dumper. Dumper. NVIDIA's not holding its level. We got to hold that 50. Held the 50. And the rips level. I'm liking it so far. Come on, NVIDIA, don't fuck me here. Stop is in down there. NVIDIA's trying here. We're green. Oh, come on. Top wicked off of the fucking EMA again, NVIDIA. You bastard. You bastard. Fuck this. I hate this trade. NVIDIA's still rejecting that upper EMA. Holding the rips level, that's a good sign. We're gonna still flatten this shit. NVIDIA lost the 50. Come on, turn this candle green again. NVIDIA looks like it's starting to give it up. Losing the rips level. Not seeing anything too concerning from VIX or from oil. On NVIDIA, turn that candle green. That's not good. Fresh candle, got to get above the rips level. Damn it, NVIDIA looks like shit. Whoa. Whoa. Added a little bit on that wick. $219 test NVIDIA. Dumping. Fuck. Yep. Oh, whoa. That's DLL on that account. Okay. Let's get in the TopStep account. Just got to flip this one today. Just got to flip it. 219 did hold on NVIDIA. 219 did hold on NVIDIA.
Order filled.
Nice long wick on NVIDIA. Out of 2 in profits.
Order filled.
Oh, stopped out. And it set me short, which I hate. Don't understand that one bit. I think I was trying to take profit. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm out of there for $40 in profits. Tested this EMA here. 210 has been strong for us today. Fixed rejection. Fixed rejection, oil rejection. NVIDIA should finally bounce here. Locked. Went in 2 different accounts. Stop is in at break even. Took some profits here on TopStep. Nice push. Oh, whoops. I tried to take profit there, but it was in the negative. No. Hard to trade 2 accounts at the same time. 2 fundeds.
Order filled.
That stopped out on TopStep. Here I am in FundedSeat. I'm playing off this 210 and dotted line combo. Tough knife catch situation. It's only 4 micros. 219 hold on NVIDIA. Yeah. Ain't nobody squawking. All right, we're green. Watching that 219 hold on NVIDIA. Top wicks on VIX Prime. I like that. Better to flatten if NVIDIA loses 219. Back to the dotted line. Nice bounce so far. Ooh, NVIDIA's starting to look a little shitty here. I'm realizing now that my original thesis was correct on that next gen account. Okay, I'm getting out of a few. Some of those were L's. Now we're in profit. There's my stop loss. Way the fuck down there. Moving to profit. $219 holding the video. Let's see if it gets a little bounce back up to those EMAs. Very good. There's our position. Take one more out when we hit 62 and leave the last one to run. Oh, dump it. Bye-bye, NVIDIA. Stopped in profits. I don't know if that was a profitable trade or not. Nice bottom wick on the video though. Off of the 219 tap. Bullish, I say. This is where our bounce can start. Finally got to the 219. Out of several. In profit. Half position out. I like NVIDIA right there. That's what we were waiting for this whole time, dude. That's what we've been waiting for this whole time. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Off of the EMA. Lame. Got it above 219.41. There it goes. There it goes. Reclaim that EMA, NVIDIA. I'm going to take off one just in profit there. That's a de-risk as NVIDIA is hesitating at that EMA. That's a smart exit. We could still dump right back down to 30. And I longed right here in that next gen. What a dummy. It's exactly what I said was going to happen. Okay, NVIDIA actually held and bounced up to its upper EMA. Now I would love to see it continuation. VIX is dumping. Oil's maybe trying to dump. Back above 219.50 would be great on NVIDIA. There it is, a nice pop for NVIDIA. Yeah, my stop is in. I'm out of one more in profit. I want to take this over here too. We got EMA resistance. Let's be careful here. Oh, whoa. Stop me out. Not yet. Not stopped out yet. I'm going to take off one more. It's just a profit taker. Just a profit. All right.
Order filled.
Oh, terrible entry. Oof. Oofta. 219.50 is all I'm watching on NVIDIA here. Gross. Get the fuck out of here, you orders. Dude, terrible entry. Right on the EMA as it rejected. Now it's up to NVIDIA to pop us here. All right, there we go. Oh, starting to reject. Gross. This EMA down here is the one that I'm watching. That's where I really wanted to enter on. Okay, NVIDIA 219.50 held. There we go, nice pop. Still got these stupid EMAs to overcome. We're gonna need a lot of juice out of NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA top wiki rejection. I do not like that one bit. Okay, collected some EMA liquidity. Back to our EMAs. Oof. Nice NVIDIA. Nice NVIDIA. Come on now. Come on now. At our entry. At our terrible entry. Push us. There we go. I took it off one. Take off one in profit. Take off two in profit. Terrible entry. We gotta make it work. We gotta make it work. Out of one more. Those are slight L's. Slight L's. There's the pop. There's the pop. Thank you, NVIDIA. There's the pop that we were waiting for. Did we get stopped out over here? We did. Lame. Lame. Chasing right here a little bit on the NVIDIA final bounce. Finally bounced. Finally bounced. Don't reject the rips. Don't reject the rips level. Out of one. Out of two. Out of three. Stop is in. Stopped out. That's okay. That's okay. We're in the trade over here. It's okay. It's okay. I'm out of one more. Again, we're just looking for flip days. We're not trying to set the world on fire. Look at that EMA tappy tap. Love that. Love that. Okay, watching NVIDIA for continuation. We reclaim that RIPS level and NVIDIA reclaims its EMAs. That could be the push to 220 and could be the big reversal on the day. I want to be long for that, so I'm watching NVIDIA very closely here. I'm out along 1 micro. Nice, above the Ripsy level. Now we got that 220 level on NVIDIA we got to figure out. So we're keeping it small. We're longing into that. Oh, almost got stopped out over here. These EMAs right below are very interesting. If I did get stopped out, I might even re-enter down there. Like, oof. Really don't love his voice. Okay, there's the NVIDIA tap. Did we get stopped? Did not get stopped. This is providing a lot of resistance right now. Okay, NVIDIA got the bounce off the EMAs that I wanted. My stop is in and it's below the RIPS level. That's a good trade, y'all. Still hitting this resistance up here. Nice, very nice. NVIDIA, this is your time. Let's get it. This is your time. Let's get it. Very good. It's not getting above that EMA. That's frustrating. See VIX starting to pick up a little bit here too. NVIDIA's got to get above 80 at least. Come on. There we go. Here we go. No, I'm taking my profit there. I don't like how it's behaving. I'm taking my profit right there. Watching the video for a potential bounce. I really gotta pee. Gotta pee. That NVIDIA bounce spot right there. Whoa, big wick. Easy there, buddy. Easy there, buddy. Stop me out. Why don't you? Like that EMA tap. I like the EMA tap below. That's where I wanted to get long. Another terrible fill. We did lose the RIPS level, however. Just a little sketchy. Green on the trade. EMAs are holding. I'm out of 1 there on the push. NVIDIA's starting to head and shoulder me here. One more on the top of the EMAs. Let's see if that helps us with a pop. Not gonna try to get too heavy here. Let's get a bump here.
Order filled.
EMA touch below that I really liked. If I'm gonna move up, it's gonna be from here, or not at all.
Order filled.
like NVIDIA holding a 219 level. Green for a moment. Now we're green. Pretty good green.
Order
Pretty good green. I'm gonna start taking these off. I'm just gonna
Order
leave a couple of
filled.
runners.
Order
One runner
filled.
in, and check that out. That's a flip day on TopStep. I have to pee. Getting a little resistance from above EMAs now. Same with NVIDIA.
Order filled.
Stopped in profit.
Order filled.
I got 2 more micros here off of this EMA bounce. I think this has got to be something.
Order filled.
Out of 1. As we touched those EMAs, took a little bit of profit. There's the pump we were waiting for. Come on, NVIDIA, get above your EMA. I'm gonna go ahead and do my flip days on my Take Profit Trader accounts as well. Not taking it in there. I'm gonna leave this up. I'm actually gonna just move my stop up. I don't have a whole lot of faith in this move because of this EMA we've been riding down since about 11 a.m. 12 p.m. I got about 40 minutes left on the stream, y'all. Nice bounce. NVIDIA is still in its little downtrend, so it's not going to have a lot of legs until it gets above, 220. Like that we've captured these EMAs, we could then use those as our stop loss after we get above this EMA. We just kind of like walk the position up from EMAs. You could even have like your stop down here at this EMA, walking it up, but I'm leaving mine in profit. And that is why the top wick of doom up 177 on this TopStep account today. It's been flipped. All right, over to TPT. Flip day. This is number 4, I think. It might be 5. It might be day 5 on these guys that are passed. 28 bucks. Don't blow it. That NVIDIA top wick does not make me want to go long. NVIDIA buyers. Oh, we're below the 219.50. That ain't good. All right, I'm long
Order
one.
filled.
Micro.
Order
Out.
filled.
50-cent profit. Booyah! Day 5. Okay, there's one down. NVIDIA's starting to look shitty. That oil rejection's pretty good, though. VIX rejecting as well. All right.
Order filled.
Oh, I actually got 2 on there. Out
Order filled.
for $2 loss. No! I don't know if it has to be a positive day or not, but we're going to get it.
Order filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
For a grand total of $7, we are done on the day. Take profit, trader. This is day 3 in this account. I could legitimately trade this account today. Not sure I want to. Man, that stop out sucked. Could have stayed long this whole time. Don't know what's causing that. Back above the Rips level. Engulfed the previous candle. I don't want to chase this. I don't know what it's all about. It could be oil back to 100. VIX down 2. Is this NVIDIA's chance? No. NVIDIA dumping, but market not dumping. Very interesting here. Very interesting here. Oil bounce, NVIDIA bounce.
Order
I'm long
filled.
2. I love that recovery on NVIDIA. Let's keep that
Order
up.
filled.
Let's keep that going. Don't reject the 42. God damn it, it rejected its EMA.
Order filled.
Buyers are trying. Oh, good luck. Jeez Louise. Come on, NVIDIA,
Order
please.
filled.
Back to our final
Order
EMA. It's a battle at NVIDIA Town. Seeing the VIX do something out of the corner of my eye. Holding this EMA, but I don't think I want to stay in this trade much longer. There we go. Good bounce so far. U19 test on the video here. Definitely want to see that hold.
Order filled. Order filled.
My stop is going to be down there. There's the 219 test on the
Order
video.
filled.
Bounced.
Order filled.
Bounced off the 219 tap. Not holding. He's trying to hold. Nice NVIDIA.
Order filled.
Watching this EMA for rejection now. I can just dump out of this if I need to. NVIDIA is failing its own EMA test. Damn, that sucks. Come on, NVIDIA.
Order filled.
Seeing the NVIDIA volume increasing, guys. Volume coming in.
Order rejected. Order filled. Order rejected.
Off the rips level. I added big there. Come on, Ripsy level. Come on, Ripsy level. Take us green. Take us green. Take us green. Come on now. Green briefly.
Order
Right,
filled.
I'm out of most.
Order
I'm out of
filled.
most. Look at that entry now. Look at that entry now.
Order filled. Order
Out of
filled.
one more, out of two more. We're green on the day, everybody. What a hold. Thank you, NVIDIA, for the 219 hold that I called out for the world. Nobody's watching, but you're welcome anyway,
Order
world.
filled.
Out of one more on this EMA test. I'll be out of one more on that EMA test. And then we hold the last two as runners for the day. Yeah, I'm out
Order
already.
filled.
I already see it trying to reject from up there. That's okay. Moving my stop up to the bottom of this wick. Two runners on. Out of one
Order
more on
filled.
that test. The last runner's going to run. Awesome. Awesome trade. Awesome trade. Now I can hold this, especially if NVIDIA wants to go all the way back up and finish this V recovery. I can hold this position for the rest of the day. It's a beautiful thing. Got to get above this 219.43. That's the test right here on this EMA. And then we got to get above 219.69. Love this rejection candle on oil. It covered both EMAs on the 5. Gotta get that to confirm, and that's gonna be good news for the market. That's what popped us up. NVIDIA's trying for that 43. There goes oil down. Love that. Come on, NVIDIA, get above your stupid EMA. There we go. Right there, 219.43. Oil getting a bounce. There we go. And NVIDIA's reclaiming. Watching that really closely. There goes the oil to the downside. Got a lot of EMAs in our way up here, especially up at 60. That big one we've been just riding down. Be a reasonable place to take profit, or at the very least moving up my stop. There goes NVIDIA. Nice bounce off its EMA. We've been waiting for this. Now we got to get above 69. Yeah, what happened on my next gen? Is that... Okay, NVIDIA testing. It's other EMA, oil bouncing-ish. Did this blow or did it just DLL? Yeah, negative 1300. I don't know if that blows me. Yeah, daily loss cutoff. Okay, cool, cool, cool. My minimum account balance is still locked at 50K. Oh, not even. It does trail a little bit. Weird. Okay, good to know. I'm not worried about it. Okay, watching this NVIDIA situation over here. Holding the 230 dotted line. I wonder if we jump in over here. Maybe they fixed. Nice NVIDIA. Don't know about that oil bottom wick happening. Looking okay on NVIDIA. Wonder if we're gonna hit a short right here though, off of 48. This is the EMA we're working with right now. Oil got the bounce, NVIDIA got the rejection.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, stopped out there. Interesting. Nice on NVIDIA. I like that NVIDIA look. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. I'm just trying to change tabs. There it is. Okay, that was where I was considering taking profit before. Oh, and that's why.
Order filled.
Profit taken. Up 400 on the day in that account. That's excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, NVIDIA might be making a play for 220. Let's watch close here. Above this candle, which is good. Now we got these guys right here to watch out for. Not to mention these guys. That was a good takeout. Wow, look at that dump on
Order
oil.
filled.
Took a big position there. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Out of one.
Order filled.
There's 5 minis, so I'm taking them quick. Don't want to see a huge rejection from NVIDIA. Oh boy, there it is.
Order filled.
Okay, got green. Think I'm green on the position. See the NVIDIA resistance. Might want to get out of this. Okay, we popped. Nice. Out
Order
of
filled.
one. Out of two.
Order filled.
Stop one. Oh, look at that pump. Let's get out of one.
Order filled.
All right. Great trade. All right. Got a runner in. Let's see if it has any legs to run. There's 219.88 on NVIDIA. Is this our chance to get 220? Is this a chance to get 220? Yes. 219.91. Oil, huge dump. Back to 100. Watch for the bounce there. Hey, there goes NVIDIA at 220. See how it reacts. Okay, 100 on oil. Who gives you the right charts here, by the way? There's 220 reclaim on NVIDIA. Excellent for the market. Where are we on the... Okay, we're at this 57 level. Let's watch it close. Right on this EMA as well. All right, I like what I see from NVIDIA. I'm getting in here. Look at that push on NVIDIA. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, that's been flipped. Not there, not there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, NVIDIA wicked off the 220.50. Hell yeah, moving up my stop.
Order modified.
And I'm still ready to close it, you guys. I'm still ready to get out of it if I need to, but I like what I see from NVIDIA, y'all. Really like what I see from NVIDIA, y'all. Come on, NVIDIA. Keep on pushing. Oil got a big old bounce. Not great. Oh, oil, huge bounce off 100. Is that a Fugazi pump on NVIDIA? One. There we go. There's the continuation that I wanted. Excellent trade, y'all. And the double top there off the NVIDIA resistance. Okay, NVIDIA reclaimed the prior day low. That could be cool. Trying. It's really trying. Target's 301.75 over there at the rips level. Nice. Nice. All right, I'm taking my profit right there. Okay. And that's another $1,000 in that eval account. What a great trade. What a great exit. Good job, everybody. Good game. GG. Look at that exit. Ah, feels good to be right sometimes. Saw VIX get crazy volume on that too. Reasonable short could be had here off the prior day low rejection, but we are testing the 220 level now in NVIDIA. Back to my MNQ. $220 holding on NVIDIA. I'm in some micros. Not going to go heavy, just, you know, exploring to see if NVIDIA just got a bounce that we can follow. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it.
Order
out of one. Not my TP. Stop loss. Stop loss.
Order filled.
Out of one more. Okay, watching that NVIDIA 220 even. Now where the EMA is. Got 3 in here. Would have been stopped out. 220 holding NVIDIA. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Very good. Very good.
Order filled.
What?
Order filled.
It's very confusing. Didn't know how many positions I had there. Still getting used to this platform, y'all. There's a 220 tap NVIDIA. Market's trying to push here, but just put in a weird topping pattern. There's oil bouncing. Watch out. Longs, watch out. I'll get back in at 62 tap. 220 holding NVIDIA. Pretty good look.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm in 5 more. Oh, good entry. Good entry. Thank you for that. Alpha Trader. Stop is in.
Order filled.
Selling 1.
Order filled.
Selling 2? That's so confusing. What is 220's holding on the video? I'm not afraid. There's oil popping and NVIDIA popping. It's confusing. I'm out of one
Order
more.
filled.
That's just a safety trim.
Order filled.
Out of one more. Another safety trim. Stop is in. Break even. How do I confirm a stop loss? Doesn't seem to be confirmable. Back at entry. 220 holding NVIDIA. Very nice. Nice bounce. Whoa. Oil's getting crazy here. I'm just going to cancel everything. Huge stick on oil. I'm not seeing anything on the VIX to match that. 220 tests for NVIDIA. It bounced. Okay. Don't know what to make of that oil bar. 50-cent oil bar. Held 100. Not super bullish. Below this sort of EMA, not below a level of resistance. Like the 220 hold on the video, so I'm tempted to try and fight the oil move here. Yeah, I'm in it.
Order filled.
Here we go. Good entry. Very good entry.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, stop is in on 2. That's how we do the stops. Stupid stop loss don't work. All right,
Order filled.
out of one more just for a safety stop.
Order filled.
And stopped out of the rest. All right, we're up 1,200-ish on the day. Oh, there's the pump. Oh, boo. Doesn't look like NVIDIA's leading, so I'm not sure I even want to be involved here. But that 100.45 rejection on oil is sweet. All right. I have to get ready for the teacher. Here. Damn, look at that pump up. Well, I was not looking. Damn, wish I had stayed long, huh? Oh, well. NVIDIA, nice press, but that pre-market low is now just waiting to reject everything. I like the oil dump, VIX dump.
Order filled.
Oh my God.
Order filled.
Oh, I can't do stop losses. Fuck off.
Order filled.
L2.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice chase up here above these rips levels. I don't have anything above. Stop is right below the rips level. There's the NVIDIA rejection, potentially. Uh-oh. NVIDIA's trying. It's trying. She's trying, baby. Come on. This was the reversal that I was aiming to get on my next gen account with fucking 4 minis. I don't know what I was thinking. Excellent dump on oil. Leave it to the time when you're texting your ex-wife that the market finally moves in the direction that you wanted. All right.
Order filled.
There's the stop out. Excellent stop out. Look at that candle. This is an aggressive sell candle, guys. I'm not going to get any more long from up here. In fact, this could be a very legitimate short entry right here. I'm also only about 400 away from passing. So there's that too. And I have a 130 I got to get to. I don't know if we're going to pass this today, but it'd be cool if we did. Be really cool if we did. Aggressive top candle right there to go long against. Why do I have two? I got a 34 and a 54 over here. What is that from? 34 and a 54. This is 29.3. Okay, there's the 30. There's the 30 tap. NVIDIA testing prior day low. Oh boy. Oh boy. We definitely rejected the top of that rips level. What is this 32 level though? It's 29.3. 54 and 301. That's not a real level. I don't know where this line came from, guys. That's a yesterday line. It might be bullshit. I don't know. I'm watching the video here to see if it can confirm above the prior day low. Whoa, VIX huge bottom wick. NVIDIA not holding a prior day low. There it is.
Order filled.
That's what I wanted to see. NVIDIA over the prior day low, and now it just has to hold, and that's the whole conversation. That's the whole ball game right there.
Order filled.
Oh, NVIDIA's starting to fail the prior day low. We want it to hold. We want it to hold. Come on now. Come on now. We want that to hold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Reclaim of that rips level is pretty cool. Got some stops in. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. That's the prior day low hold on NVIDIA. Out of one more. And I got one more sell stop in, and we're going to let the runners run. Boom. One more sell stop in. Booyah. You can wick me out. You can stop me out. Do whatever you want to me now.
Order
That was a
filled.
green trade, baby.
Order filled.
There it is. There it is. All right. Can I get back in is the question now. There's NVIDIA holding over the prior day low. I love that. Now we got to get over pre-market low and that 220 EMA. Yep.
Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
in.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a pretty big position. Okay, 300 to go. 300 to go. I accidentally got 15. I was getting a little excited on the clicky. This could be a rejection spot for NVIDIA, so let's just be extra cautious there. Oil continuing the downside off 99.
Order filled. Order filled.
Very nice. Out
Order
of
filled.
5. Very nice. Ceasefire news coming
Order
through.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, stops are in. Oh yeah, that's pretty good news. It's pretty good news, y'all. It's pretty good.
Order filled.
Oh my God, it didn't. Oh gosh. I saw it in the profit. Oh wait, there it is. Boom, 54,008. Passed. Booyah. All right, there we go. 54,008.22. That's gotta be a winner. Oil's just crashing here. All right, I'm
Order
on
filled.
some
Order filled.
more.
Order filled.
Okay, 54 and 75. That's got to be close enough.
Order filled. Order filled.
You guys can't see what I just did. Did something incredibly stupid. Chased it at the tippity top after I thought I had passed, but I think I just needed like $10 more. Okay, come on, push. Come on and push. Come on and push. I don't know what we're resisting from. A rips level. Damn it. Don't know why we would resist it. We got peace deal. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Come on, peace in the Middle East. Let's do this. Peace in the Middle East. Shit. I'm flat.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, that was a $1,000 loss there. Sucks. Come on, NVIDIA. Don't reject there. Don't reject me here. Like that candle turning green. That's very good. No, turned it red. Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
54,169. Now we're for sure past. All right. All right. Come on. Come on now. Passing AlphaFutures. That feels good. Look at that pump, everybody. Look at that. NVIDIA, nice press here. Why is Matt going short right here? It's so confusing. At the prior day high, confirming above. $98.39 on oil. Dang. Under 99 now. This is where it bounced before. Let's be cautious here. Where's our next level up? 426. Yeah, we're at a rips level right here. Above it. New high. Bottom wick on the UVXY off of 33. Caution. Definitely not shorting this. $222 on NVDA here. Nice press on NVIDIA. Beautiful. No longer in the trade, but I did take it in the eval. Well, that's fun. NVIDIA's squeezing. Got short. Out of one. Stop loss at break even. Look at that. Shorting the rips. Here we are. All right, I'm going to take off one more. Shout out rips. Thanks for the levels. Short of the rips level at 473. Got it. Filled it. 55. God damn. What a short. What a short with 3 micros. Hell yeah. What a short. What a short. Come on! We're at the next rip's level down. Next rip's level down. We could have a bounce here, and I will just stop out. Watching the video for a bounce. The video starts to bounce, then we're gonna definitely get out of the way. Oh, great press. Great press. Great press. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out to my boy Matt. Rocket Scooter Matt called this. I'm taking it out there at prior day high. Woo! Short in the top. Oh, it kept going. I don't care though. That prior day high hesitation is what got me out. It was a good takeout. That's gonna do it for me, everybody. Shorten the all-time high. We didn't short the high. We shorted a high, but it was a good short. It was a good trade day. Up $670 in the funded seat. I flipped all of my TPTs, hit a DLL on the other TPT. No, hit a DLL on the other funded seat. And on my next gen, no worries. What is the other one? Oh yeah, over here. 410 plus 670 is $1,080. 1080. We'll call it a day right there, you guys. Thanks for joining me on Trading for All Audiences. I hope you enjoyed our broadcast. Hope you'll join me again same time tomorrow. This is where the bangers are. Look at the prior day high bounce. Prior day high is bouncing. It was a beautiful trade. It was a beautiful day. Hope you guys have a good one.